Yo, what's going on, guys? Hennis here. It's been a while since I've made a video on the Pro Tutorials channel, but I've been working on something pretty big that I'm super excited to share with you. What you're looking at on screen here is the homepage for ProChat, prochat.gg. And this is a multi-chat tool that I've been working on for about a year and a half now. I've been a content creator for over 10 years, and one of the big struggles that I've always had with multi-streaming is finding a multi-chat tool that can do everything I need it to. Now, don't get me wrong, there's plenty of multi-chat tools out there, but a lot of them didn't do the things that I needed them to do, or they would do a thing but not correctly, or messages would display improperly. And after literally trying dozens and dozens of multi-chat options, and trust me, I tried so many of them, I figured the best option was just gonna be to make something that fixed all the problems that I had and then share it with you guys. So I've dubbed it the ultimate chat tool for streamers because that's really my goal. I want to create a multi-chat tool that you can use regardless of the platform you stream on, YouTube, Twitch, Kick. You can see on the homepage that TikTok, Rumble, and X are coming very soon, and create like a unified chat experience that has every feature you could ever want and give you the cleanest, simplest, most robust and reliable experience. So that's what I've been working really hard to kind of bring to life. And so in this video, I just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of how to use ProChat, sort of the features that it has and what sets it apart from other multi-chat tools. Now, when you guys first get to the homepage, you'll sign up and create a new account, but I've already got one, so I'm going to log in. So after logging in, you'll be immediately greeted with the ProChat interface. And the first thing it's going to ask you to do is connect your account. So let's do that. Connect my accounts. This will open up the settings modal where you can connect your YouTube, Twitch, and Kick accounts. And this is important to do because not only will it allow you to send chat messages into your live streams from ProChat, but it will also allow you to moderate your chat. So delete messages, time people out, stuff like that. So I'll go ahead and connect my Twitch. And immediately once I authorize my Twitch account, I'll see a brand new pop-up message. And this will say, would you like to add the ProHennis Twitch channel, or whatever your channel name is, to start receiving live chat? And this message touches on one of the cool features that I think really sets ProChat apart. I'll explain it a little later, but what I just did is connect my own personal Twitch account. ProChat has a different section that allows you to connect the channels that you actually want to receive live chat messages from. So what's so cool about that is you can connect your own accounts to send live chat messages and moderate and whatever, but then you can also capture live chat messages from any channel you want. It doesn't just have to be the ones you own or have permissions for or whatever. So when I click this add channel button, I'll get a little success message that says I'll start receiving live chat messages from that channel. And you'll get a little highlight here on the channels tab. And when you go here, this is where you'll see a list of every channel that you'll be receiving live chat messages from. So what this means is even though I'm logged in with the ProHennis Twitch account, I can add any other Twitch channel that I want. So I can see over here on my other monitor that Queso's live. So I'll just type in his username and click add. It'll add Queso's channel, and immediately I'll start getting Queso's live chat messages in the background directly in my ProChat account. So this could be a really cool feature if you're a moderator of a channel, for example. Let's say you're a moderator for, I don't know, Tim the Tatman, Queso, and XQC or whatever, just big channels, right? You could have all of their live chat messages in one view here and be moderating in one simple interface. That was one of my other goals too. I wanted to make ProChat really good for live streamers and content creators, but also like power users or people who consume a lot of like live chat on platforms like Twitch or Kick or whatever. Now towards the top of the ProChat interface, you'll see a viewer account, which you can actually click to hide, click to toggle to view it or hide it. I know some people like to hide their viewer account, so that's there for that reason. It also shows you an uptime, and because you can add multiple channels, you'll actually see the uptime for each channel that you have added. So for example, if I go back to settings, channels, and I add XQC, he's also live, and I will also see XQC's uptime and XQC's chat messages all in one view. We've also got chat tabs at the top, so I can click the Queso chat tab to just see live chat messages from Queso. I can see just the live chat messages from my own account, or switch to just seeing XQC's live chat messages. Now, some of the keen-eyed among you might have also noticed that third-party chat emotes are also integrated with ProChat. So you can hover over these, see this is a Unicode emote, this is a 7TV emote, this is a Twitch emote, and you can enable or disable those in the settings under the emotes and emojis section. You can enable or disable Better TV, Franker Face Z, or 7TV emotes. You can see it also captures deleted chat messages. So it'll say this message is deleted, but if you double click it, it'll actually show you what the original message was. And it looks like this user was actually timed out. If we click on their username, we'll get information about that chatter. For example, we can see that they're currently timed out, and we can also see recent messages from them as well. And this works for any chatter that's currently typing in your chat. And actually, I almost forgot, on the right-hand side, there's also a chatters list, which shows you a consolidated list of everybody who's typing in all the channels that you currently have added. And from here, you can also click on people's names or filter if you wanted to, type in and look for somebody named ProHennis or whatever. Now, down at the bottom, you can see there's this all live streams button. When I hover over it, it'll say sending to 3 live streams, and it'll list the 3 channels that I've added. So what this means is when I come down here and I type hello with a smiley face, that chat message gets sent to both Queso's, ProHennis's and XQC's channel all at the same time. Now, if you wanted to send a chat message to just one channel, you can click on the channel tab, for instance, queso, right? And you can see this label changes down here to just sending to queso. I can also just click on this label here and check or uncheck channels that I want to send chat messages to. So you're given all the control right here for where your chat messages are sent and whatnot. Now, if we come back into settings, under the appearance tab, you're given a ton of customizations you can make to the actual chat messages themselves. For example, if you didn't want this timestamp element to be appearing in the chat messages, you can just click hide timestamp and it'll hide it. One of the features that a lot of people were asking for recently too is like a message fade out. So for example, if you wanted messages to auto disappear after 5 seconds, which it's going to be hard to tell with a chat like this because it's moving so quickly, but these messages are auto disappearing after 5 seconds. And this slider goes from never all the way up to 120 seconds or about 2 minutes. Now, in order to demonstrate another cool feature of ProChat, I have to add a YouTube channel. So I'll go to settings, channels, I'll choose the platform as YouTube, and I'll put in the burnt peanut. When I click add, it'll take a second to find his channel. You can see it already found out that he's live. When you hover over this little icon, by the way, it'll show you how many streams it found. So for YouTube, I think it's YouTube, what is it, Rumble, and one other platform, I forget. But technically those platforms, you can have more than one live stream per channel. So on like a YouTube channel, for example, you could have like your normal like 16:9 horizontal stream, and you could also have like a vertical short stream. ProChat will capture both of those. And you'll be able to verify that here by hovering over this element and seeing how many live streams it found. You can see the ProHennis one, which is my channel, is offline. When you hover over it, it'll say waiting for a channel to go live. So, okay, we've got the burnt peanuts channel added. I'm actually gonna go ahead and remove queso and XQC here, just because their chats are moving too quick and it's cluttering up everything. Okay, yes, this is what I was waiting for. You can see a super chat message came through in the burnt peanuts live stream. Now, what's super cool about this is it'll show you the currency or the amount that the viewer sent the super chat message in. So this user JRob sent $10. But what if you're more familiar with euros or British pounds? In settings under preferred currency, you can come in here. Let's say I wanted to change this to euro. If I go back over here and I hover over the amount, it'll say 10 US dollars is roughly equal to 865 euros. And so it'll show you that conversion when you hover over that amount, which I think is super cool. Oh, and look at this, another feature I can highlight here too. You can see YouTube AI chat summaries. So these aren't chat summaries that are being generated by ProChat. These are chat summaries that are generated by YouTube, but then get captured and imported here to ProChat. You can see they're formatted just like the YouTube AI chat summaries are if you've ever seen them in a live chat before. And so this is just another cool feature that sets ProChat apart from a lot of other multi-chat tools is you get these AI chat summaries from YouTube streams only. And it's only if the live chat's moving quick enough. Okay, and one last cool feature that I want to show you guys, it's not public yet, but it will be available soon, is TikTok chat. So this is something that I think is really going to set ProChat apart from all the other multi-chat tools out there. Again, I only have this enabled on my account, but if I add a TikTok channel, I just found this Steph Gaming account. It seems like a popular TikTok account that's live right now. You can see ProChat found out that it's live. That's the title of the live stream. And if we filter by that Steph Gaming, you can see all the GIFs are coming through right now. Hopefully there'll be some chat messages coming through here too. And you can see ProChat even notifies you here at the bottom, no chat support. Chat messages can't be sent from TikTok live streams. There's no way for you to log in with your TikTok account in ProChat and then send messages to TikTok from your TikTok account. That's not supported, but you can still see all the live chat messages from whatever TikTok channel you want. So I went ahead and added another TikTok channel just because that stuff wants to be moving kind of slow. And actually we'll go ahead and remove both mine and the burnt peanut for now. If you go to the all chat tab, you can see live chat messages from these TikTok channels are coming into ProChat in real time. And just like all the other platforms, you can click on these people. You can see how many followers they have. You can go to their TikTok channel if you wanted to. You can see their recent messages listed here. And again, this works for every single TikTok user that's currently watching your stream or typing in your chat. So yeah, this is something that I'm incredibly passionate and super excited about. I really want to get more people using it. And again, anybody can go to prochat.gg right now and sign up and start using it. The only platforms that are currently supported are YouTube, Twitch, and Kick. But I'd love to get feedback from you guys on the user experience, if something isn't working right for you, or if you have a feature idea or a suggestion on how I can improve ProChat, or a thing that you think would be better to add to it or would make the experience better, please let me know in the comments down below, or you can tweet me at prochatgg on Twitter or at ProHennis on Twitter. Seriously, I'm open to like any and all suggestions, ideas, improvements, anything you guys want to add. Obviously, I won't be able to implement everything, but I want to be able to hear what you guys think, because my goal, seriously, at the end of the day, is to make this the best multi-chat tool for streamers, because I think a lot of them out there are really lackluster. They're just not that great. And I want to create a really robust, like as perfect, as good as can be unified experience for live streamers, especially as multi-streaming, like simulcasting is becoming such a big thing with people live streaming on like YouTube, Twitch, Kick, TikTok. I also want to add Facebook at some point. There's so many different opportunities to make this like the best tool for live streamers and multi-chat users. So, and even power users too, even if you're not a streamer or content creator. Like I said, if you're a, like a moderator of multiple Twitch chats, right? It'd be cool to be able to moderate the live chats, you know, delete messages, time out people, ban people or whatever, all in one unified experience. So that's my goal. So that's what I want to make. So if you guys have any ideas, leave them in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about it, and go sign up and create an account. And that's going to do it for this video. Peace.